All right, what's up guys? I'm randomfrankp, and in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the Keycult I purchased from Wish. Yeah, the contents of this box are up in the air, let's just put it that way. So a few weeks ago, I was gonna do like a random just like keyboard video from Wish, and I saw a listing for Keycult #1. And I was like, oh, this is gonna be fantastic because these are like easily a few $1,000s aftermarket, typically between $2,200 to $2,500. This was just under 90 bucks. Yeah. It was even on sale an extra 9 cents off. Whoop-de-f***ing-do, Wish. So this is gonna be as mysterious for you as it is for me. Without wasting any more time, let's dive right into this, cutting through the paper. I hope you're ready, because I'm not. All right. First up, definitely just sort of a giveaway. Let's just put it that way, with all the possibly Japanese or Chinese newspaper here in the front. From what I know about Keycult, they're in the US. So all this, probably not a good sign. All right. Oh, whoa, hold on. This is heavy. This is a heavy box. Like, I need to weigh this real quick. All right, this is like solid for sure. This is an 8-pound box. I don't know if you could even, there, up, going down a little bit. 7 pounds, 15 ounces. So this is either a very solid and well-made keyboard, or it's like a cement block. Both options are on the table. All right, we got the sides all taped up. Which way is up? Because they have multiple things of tape on here. Guess right here, we'll cut on the bottom. Oh my God. I'm so ready to be disappointed. I'm so ready. What? How much tape did they, I guess I needed to secure this thing with the weight, huh? Again, from what I know about Keycult, this is not their standard packaging, a nasty old little cardboard box like this with multiple layers of tape. Okay. The mystery still continues, because now we have this. Oh, this beat up box. We have a keyboard cover. Little carrying case for our mystery keyboard. So probably not a cement block, unless that's still in here. It's been maybe 2 bricks. Here we go. Here we go. Here we, oh, it's on the top. It's on the top. Oh. Okay. This is not what I was expecting. It's definitely not a Keycult. I can tell just by the first look, but oh my God, this thing is super heavy. What the hell is this random $87 Wish keyboard? Okay, let me just put this over here. It says Abco Core, is that the name of the case? I don't know. Okay, so again, with the Keycult #1, and I believe the #2 as well, with this 10 keyless layout, you know, the TKL. The thing about this, from what I've seen, and I'm not 100% sure this is the case, but all of the Keycults that I've seen that are TKL are Win keyless. So they have that sort of like blocker here. This is not that. See, there's little LED indicators over here as well, which Keycult does not have, but the materials in this, it's insane how solid this is. Looking like a knockoff, what is that, GMK Moto, like a knockoff GMK Moto set on here, possibly. So what's gonna give this away 100%, as if I don't already know that this is fake, is the backside. That very just great looking Keycult butt. Nice Keycult booty. Oh, we got a label. Let's see, what is it? I should have looked, that was the first thing I should have looked at. Abco Core. Abco Core AR87. I gotta look that up. So I guess the name on here is also the name of this keyboard. So not a Keycult. Do they just think that like a very sturdy and solid all aluminum keyboard that weighs over 7 pounds is just a Keycult? Is that what they think? Oh my God, this thing is a monster. Okay, so I don't know what switches are in here because it didn't say on the listing. They're light, they're linear, and they're kind of scratchy. Odds are it's either like Otemu or like a cherry switch. Let's see. We're gonna dive into this today. We're gonna take a look what we got in here. I hope it's hot swap again. Just the first thing about this is, like, obviously when I saw the listing, you know, I didn't assume it to be a real Keycult, but I also didn't think I was getting a fully completed keyboard like this. I thought it was gonna be just like, you know, possibly a case, you know, like the frame and the plate and all that stuff. I didn't think it was gonna have switches and these knockoff keycaps. And yeah, these are cherry silent reds, which explain that slight scratch. Not satisfying in the slightest. Okay, ABCore Core AR87. We gotta look this up right now. Is this even a thing? Will it, like, weird. I see the Google link for it that brings me to Amazon, and then it doesn't come up. And I was just gonna check my invoice and stuff from Wish, but it just brings me to that straight listing. And when I try to search for it again, it's not there, of course. Okay, here we go. We're on Amazon now. Whatever, it didn't work the first time. Bummer. Currently unavailable. I would love to know the price of this. We're gonna look this up in a minute once I go on my PC, because then I could see the price history. Wow, this, again, I don't know what to expect with this, because I knew it wasn't a Keycult, but I didn't think it was gonna be this monster of an aluminum keyboard. All right, we've got RGB strips on the side. Let's plug this in real quick after I put these keycaps back on. Okay, so it does include a standard, you know, sort of braided USB-C cable. I just threw it off the desk. We do have a nice, definitely embedded a good ways in there. You can probably see where the port is. All right, let me go get that because I just threw it. All right, we'll try that again. And I see the side glow. There's some side glow coming over here, but no actual backlighting. So again, you can see it here glowing on the sides, which will probably look pretty cool at night. Interesting stuff. Again, the switches aren't too bad, but I really hope this is hot swap, because that way I could take out these silent red switches from Cherry and put in something much nicer that would complement this insanely thick boy body. Don't quote me on that. Don't clip it. All right, but let's open it up. Whew, those screws are deep in there. Let's unplug this while we can real quick. All right, I got one of these little extenders. I don't even know if that's gonna fit down. Yeah, because this base here, it won't go down because this stops it. Damn it, how are we gonna open this? This is gonna require some thought. Hold on, before we dive into that, let me just do the thing I should have done from the beginning and just try to pry one of these out. That'll give us a pretty quick, you know, indicator of whether this is hot swap or not, and I do not think it is, because this guy is not budging. Yeah, unfortunately, this does not seem to be hot swap. Damn it, it's the entire length of our bit. It doesn't fit either. What the hell can I use? Doesn't have the right bit, but all it has to do is turn the screw, and I think this isn't working either. I think I'm just stripping the screw. This is the closest thing we've had so far. Okay, final attempt at this guy. It's lengthy enough, it's skinny enough, just will it let me get in and turn the screw to unloosen it? I can't tell. I have no idea. Is this working? Oh my God, I think it is.
2 hours later.
I don't know if you saw that, if I picked it up, but the screw flew into my sleeve. Okay, we finally did it. So this is the top plate, super aluminum. Interesting. Does this, whoop, stuff just fell out. What were those? Some of the mounting posts, literally. How do I get underneath? I'm gonna have to take the top. Yep, okay. This is quite the mystery. I gotta say, I'm impressed. Kind of. Disappointed, but impressed. Because the mystery behind this Abco Core keyboard has got me intrigued. Okay, was that all of them? Yes. All right. So, tray mount. What are these little things that fell out? There's some sort of standoff posts, but I can't see where they came from. Interesting. So we do have a piece of, EVA foam here, very, very thin, looking like possibly either 1 millimeter or a 0.5 millimeter little strip here to act as that dampener inside. And yes, unfortunately, we do have a fully soldered keyboard. This might be worth in the future if you guys are interested enough to completely desolder and put some new switches in, because just it is insane to me how solid this is. I've checked out a lot of keyboards. This at over 7 pounds, like, it's just crazy to me. Crazy. So that's that. You can see here on the side where the sort of acrylic strip is, or whatever. Probably not acrylic, but we have that there because underneath on the PCB there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 RGB lights embedded on the side of the PCB, which is what throws it then out on the sides of the board underneath. Man, I wish. Stupid cherry switches. All right. I want to head back to the PC and do a little more digging about this, because I need to know a price. How much did we overpay for this? Even though it feels pretty damn solid. I gotta know. All right, so I found it on Amazon. Here's the thing, like I said before, it's currently unavailable. However, when you look at the price history chart with this plugin that I use called Keepa, this was apparently $175. I paid, what did I say, 86, 87 on Wish? I don't know who the joke's on here. Is the joke on me, or is the joke on whoever sold this for almost half the price?
Is that the joke?
On Wish. I paid pretty much $100 less than what it's been being sold for. It's been out for 178 days, and looks like it retailed in, it started back in October of 2019 for $260. So this thing probably didn't sell too well, but I'm just confused. All right, so it's funny to me that the value for this is over double of what I've paid for it. Again, that's on Amazon though, and it's not currently available, so who knows what the real value of this is. But man, I'm just very confused and very upset because I hate cherry switches. We're gonna do a sound test. It's not that I hate cherry switches, but just their molding over the years, they've just become so scratchy, and they were once the king and now they are the peasant. You know what I mean? Sorry, cherry. Silent red cherry switch sound test for you guys. Let's do it. All right, so yeah, as you heard, it's just not satisfying. It's weird how scratchy these have gotten over the years, and I wish I could have picked. I wish they had, you know, some sort of listing of other Switches, but I mean, they wouldn't. I'm sure they're not selling 2 of these on Wish, but I definitely would not have had the option, or would not have picked this if it was an option. Man, that's why I was kind of hoping it was just like the frame and stuff so I could build it. Instead, we got cherry silent red Switches, and again, what I assume is a knockoff of Moto, GMK Moto, unless it's like trying to be something else. I don't know. It looks nice, you know, visually, it's a nice looking keyboard, pretty clean overall, very solid and hefty and thick, as we've noted multiple times. But yeah, like I said, I don't know who the joke's on here. Is the joke on me, or is the joke on the seller on Wish? Because they sold this thing for way under the latest Amazon price. Yeah, moral of the story, don't buy from Wish. I don't even know if I can return this. I don't even know if I want to return this. That's the thing. This keyboard messed my day up because I knew it wasn't a Keycult. I was so interested to see. I was hoping it was just some like piece of plastic, crappy $5 keyboard, but instead it gave me something more. Something that now I'm intrigued by, and I kind of want to mod a bit further, even though it wasn't the easiest thing to take this apart and get it opened, and it's not going to be easy to desolder and spend all the time into a, you know, invest all the time into a Wish keyboard. I wish it was better. I wish it was a Keycult. Boom, that should be the title of this. No, I gotta, you know, I don't know. I'll figure it out. What a video. If you're still here, I'm sorry, but this is just not what I expected. It's not a Keycult, and it's not a crappy Wish knockoff. It's a knockoff, but I don't know. Guys, that'll wrap it up. If you liked this video, if you thought it was funny, if you do want to see me mod this, let me know. Drop a comment and leave a big thumbs up if it does well. I'll know you guys like this and you want to see more on this Abco Core AR87. So yeah, if you liked it, you want to see more, give this video a thumbs up and show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.